Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm going to make some Mexican brownies. Now some of the ingredients that I'm going to use, this is Ancho chili powder. I found this at Walmart. It is just a chili powder, okay? These are going to be brownies. I'm also going to use a Mexican hot chocolate. And this is lots of flavor, sweetness. Okay, brownies are sweet, but there's going to be a little hint of spicy, just a back flavor. Now, when you have mango habanero sauce, that is a really good dipping sauce for chicken, and it's sweet and spicy. So we're going to try sweet and spicy on brownies. So I'm really curious to know how this is going to end up. Let's get started. So first, I have a big bowl, and I'm adding my brownie mix. Now, I almost forgot to tell you, I just used a regular packaged brownie mix. You can use any brand, just go by my other directions. Next, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of the Ancho chili powder. This is 1 tablespoon of the Mexican hot chocolate. Now I'm going to mix all this together. 2 eggs, half a cup of canola oil, 1/4 cup of water, and 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. Yeah, I'm dying to know what this is going to taste like too. So now I'm going to mix all this together until everything is incorporated. This is a 9x13 baking dish, and I'm going to add my batter to my baking dish. So now, 350-degree oven and for 20 to 25 minutes until you can put a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. Okay, so I made my brownies. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Okay, I can already smell the extra cinnamon. I want to know what the chili ancho, if you can really taste it. Okay, the first time I tried this, I only put 1 teaspoon of chili ancho, and that was the original recipe. 2 teaspoons of the chili ancho gives just a little hint of back flavor, and that's what I was going for. Okay, and the more you're eating it, that's when it comes even more. The little back flavor. Not at all overpowering, not spicy or anything, but good. Okay, cinnamon and the chili ancho. I can definitely taste it now. Just a back flavor. Just a back flavor. Just a little bit of spicy. So it's sweet and spicy. Okay, so these are my Mexican brownies. Thanks for watching.